Hey, what's going on, everybody? I have a new unboxing and first impressions. So this will be Dior Dune and the new Rasasi Yazan. So without any further ado, I'm gonna go straight for it. I usually buy something like 60%, 70%, maybe not 70, but 60% of my fragrances. I buy them online. This is an online buy. So let's check it out. I'm gonna get a scissor so I can cut off the bubble wrapping. What you see there in the background is the blue Yeti Pro. I want good audio quality, so there's no better gadget to provide you better quality for YouTube videos especially. I'm gonna have a future video tutorial on how to record with an external mic and how to sync it with the audio of the DSLR camera. I'm really happy with the bubble wrapping that's used to protect the fragrances. It's always better to be safe than to be sorry for getting broken fragrances. So we're gonna start off with, we're gonna go for Dior Dune. Both of these I haven't smelled before. I got Dior Dune is, from what I read, is a very good fragrance, and by the notes, it should be a good fragrance for summer. So if you watch my last unboxing with the I have there the Crida Ventus, Mancera Cedra Bossé, Bulgari, Aqua Pur Homme. This will be part 2 of the unboxings, and we're gonna go now with the first impression. This is the 100 ml bottle. It's very classic. So I have high expectations on this one. So okay, here it goes. I get now a little too much alcohol, I think. Yeah, this is yeah, it's definitely fit for summer. Definitely. People say that from what I read, people say that this smells like sand, but like it smells like you would be in the desert and walking towards an oasis, but I don't actually get that. Yeah, it's definitely fit for summer. I think it has basil, fig, there may be some citrus in here. I think it's similar to something I already have in my collection, but I can't figure out what. Yeah, I'm definitely digging Dior Dune. I think the perfumer behind this is Olivier Cresp, I think, and he definitely did a great job. Yeah, I'm loving this one. So, first impressions, Dior Dune, thumbs up. Now, Rasasi Yazan. I have some Rasasis in my collection. This is a new release from Rasasi. This is Eau de Parfum, 85 milliliters. I don't think you can find this in bigger sizes than 85 milliliters. So we are doing the unboxing as well. I think the box of the Yazan looks way better than Dior Dunes. This looks like I don't know, cheap cardboard. On the other hand, Rasasi Yazan just looks like Bleu de Chanel. Yeah, the box is similar to, also the feel of the box is similar to Bleu de Chanel. So let's get the bottle out and do the first impressions. Oh, this is a look. I like when you can use a circular cut so you can get out the fragrance. I didn't notice if this one yeah, it has it also. This one has it in the center. So, oh yeah, this looks really nice. Let me put this back in. So, this is a blind buy. I've already mentioned that. And I'm also expecting, oh, let's see how can, oh, you have to pull a little bit harder. So I like the bottle. I think I like it more than Dior Dune. Dior Dune looks like a classic cologne bottle. So let's go with this. I'm gonna wait a bit. So right off the top, Yazan is strong and is also different from what I've smelled until now, and I've smelled a few quotation marks, few fragrances. So I think you don't get much of the top notes, because top notes are kind of overpowered by the middle notes. I get has a balsamic aspect. I think this will work like a charm in summer nights. Definitely. I don't think it, for me at least, I don't think I could use this in hot days. So now I'm coming back to Dior Dune. It's it's turning into awesomeness. Just pure awesomeness. I'm letting the Yazan dry down a bit. Yeah, you got some green aspect, some basil, fig. Yeah, some wood nuances as well. So Dior Dune is just rocking it. It's a classic gentleman's fragrance. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I think it has, I don't know if jasmine. Yeah, I think. Definitely some cedar and sandalwood. Yeah, that's kind of what I get out of it. So I'm loving both of them. I truly believe that Dior Dune can be used in hot summer days, while the Yazan is I would say Dior Dune is fresh green, while the Yazan is it has something like a sweet aspect to it, like sweet balm. Yeah, I'm loving both of them. So Yazan definitely for summer nights, and Dior Dune for summer days. So here you have it, the unboxing and first impressions of Dior Dune and Rasasi Yazan. So I'm gonna do one more or two more unboxings. So the fragrances that you will see throughout the Summer Fragrances 2016 unboxings and first impressions will be presented also in a separate video called Kings of Summer. Both of them are fit for summer. So that was it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. The audio that you will be listening to will be the one recorded by the Blue Yeti Pro. I have it connected to my laptop. I'm using Audacity as a software for recording with the Blue Yeti Pro, and I'm gonna remove the audio from the DSLR camera because it doesn't give me the audio quality I need. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Goodbye.